Watch this. So I just laid apex and just launched. You just hug it, because if you're going wide, you're just wasting all that track. That's just like 5 car lengths that you just close up on. Flat, and then a little lift if you need to. And then back on it hard. And then I brake at an angle going in, and what that does is a lot of people just get their braking done up here, but I brake like 5 car lengths deeper and I brake going into the corner. So I'm braking and then I release, go wide, and I slowly bring it in, and I'm full throttle. Fourth gear and track all the way out to keep that speed building. And then just like I just eat these guys coming out of that corner.